Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're gonna do round 2 of trying to start the GTO, so come along. So last episode, we weren't quite able to get it started, and there's a couple things that we figured out. I don't remember if we said it on camera or not. But we had a giant vacuum leak back there because the idle air control motor isn't hooked up. So we got a delete for it. And the reason it's not hooked up is the Elite 550 cannot control a 4-wire idle air control motor. So if we end up having trouble doing the idle control and stuff like that, I'll probably get a input-output expander because that's got, I think, 6 half bridges. But I think we'll be able to control it with ignition timing and everything. So Jason and I, what I want to do, we're going to get that swapped out. I think I'm going to pull this valve cover as well. That way we can verify that we're at TDC compression for cylinder 1 firing. I'm almost positive we are, but it never hurts to check. And then once we have that, we should be able to hopefully try and start it again and then set base timing.
I think it's the right thing to do. We'll get it running.
Oh yeah. So let's tear some stuff apart and see what we can figure out. I mean, it might be on top of the tool cart of despair.
I think this guy's too small.
Remind me at the end of the night tonight to pull the spark plug off on cylinder 7 over here.
Okay. Why?
So we can get a wire.
Oh, yes, yes. We need a 90 on there.
Yep. Okay, we are on compression.
Yep. Which I could care less about that. Oh, look at that.
Hopefully this works.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Let's make it run. That's what I think.
All right, you ready?
Yes. No flash.
Yeah.
Okay. A flash.
What's it say?
Okay, your secondary mark is way low.
Now?
Way down, way past the, okay, your secondary mark is way down, way past the mark, the gauge.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Still way down there?
Yes.
Jason, you want to do me a favor?
Yeah.
Grab some tools to adjust the throttle cable. I want to get it so that it's partially open.
Partially open, okay.
I just want to get like 3% throttle here. 1.5, 2, right there. Yeah,
Good, because I'll have to adjust the cable from there.
you ready?
Yes.
Is it moving?
The mark is still way low.
Is it moving?
No.
No?
No. It's sticking right, there's a bolt down there, and it's staying dead even with that bolt.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. Well, it started.
Yeah, it did. It was rough, but it started.
Okay, well, hey, it started.
You got it to run.
Yeah, which now we can like work on cleaning some stuff up and getting the coolant and stuff in, you know, and everything like that. It ran! Yes! So now we gotta figure out why the TDC offset isn't working, but that sounds like a job for the big gun, so I'm gonna call Derek and let him figure that out. But before we do that, we need to finish up actually getting the wiring set up and getting the wideband hooked up and all that kind of stuff, because it's definitely a little rich in here. But hey, it runs. So I talked to some of the bigger brains like Derek, and we think that what's happening is the bypass module is staying on even though the car's running. So back in the day, GM, HEIs, when they first came out, the computers in cars was pretty limited. So they did this thing called a bypass module, which basically, well, it's in the ignition module. It basically takes the computer advance out and just puts it in like a base timing inside the distributor. So that's why when I'm adjusting the TDC offset, nothing's happening. So I'm gonna go in the settings, I'm gonna take a peek at what that's all set up like, and I might just disable it and see if we can get the timing to move. And if it does, then we can always maybe readdress that. But for now, let's get the battery hooked up. Jason's gonna be on the timing light again, and see if we can get this thing to run a little better.
Maybe it's...
All right, well, I'm gonna turn the bypass off now and see if it'll start.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn it back to low. See if it starts.
Hey, the timing mark moved.
What?
The mark moved.
It moved?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
It went up.
You ready? Is it moving?
Oh, dang it.
All right, we ready?
Yes. Okay. The mark jumped up. Now it's in there.
Is it moving?
No, but it moved up. Oh, wait, there you go. Way up. Come back. Come back. Oh, right there. Oh. Little bit the other way. You're about at 0. Right there. That's 0. That's 0. You're at 0. That's way past 0.
That's good.
Okay. We need to put some water in this if we're going to keep running it.
Yes, I agree. I don't know if it'll start again because like I had the bypass on the way that Haltech says, and it didn't want to start, so then I put it back to the other way where it was starting. And then once it was running, I switched it up the other way, and that's when the timing switched. When you're like, hey, it moved.
Yeah. Okay.
So I have it the correct way that Haltech wants it right now. Once I get back, we'll see if it starts.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't, then we'll just have to figure something out with that.
Right.
But, do you think we have any leaks?
No. Maybe. Is there a petcock on this?
There is, yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's not a
That's
good
out of the
start.
water pump.
Out of the water pump?
Yeah.
Great.
Well, water pump area. Coming down from like right here, isn't it?
I think so. Yeah. See, it's dripping now.
Okay, well.
Maybe it's loose.
It's possible. Well, we made progress. It runs. We got some stuff we got to figure out, but hey, step in the right direction.
Yes.
I think Jason feels a little defeated right now.
Well, yeah. We put it all together. It was all together. Now we've taken it apart. We've got a minor leak on the water pump, and we're not 100% sure why. The bolt is not engaging to torque itself down, and it's the stock bolt. So
Yes, it's just like I'll show you. I'm showing Jason. Like it just doesn't seem like there's enough thread engagement. All the other ones are tight. We Googled it. These definitely are OEM bolts. So I think the answer here is just get a longer one and see if it tightens up. If it doesn't, then we pull the water pump and time cert that lower hole, which is what it is, unfortunately. But hey, it runs. I mean, we still got some stuff to figure out there, but it runs, and we can adjust the timing kind of. So, well, I think that's where we're going to leave this episode. So if you guys are looking forward to more GTO content, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.